Boss, are you really going on this date?
I'll go for sure. But how I do it, that's up to me. Hey! Come down here, please. I'll give you $500 for that uniform.
Wait,
Yeah.
really?
Since this is a blind date, I'll be straightforward. I'm Leonardo, a plumber. My income isn't very stable, and I don't get jobs very often.
I'm in a similar situation. I sell sandwiches by a construction site. My son just got married, and I'm looking for someone to share my life with too.
I don't have a car, and my place isn't that big. I've dated a few women before, but they all seem to look down on me.
At this age, I'm not looking for riches. I just want a stable life.
Look, I mostly don't want to burden you. So how about we just have a nice friendly meal and tell Rebecca it's not a good fit?
All right.
Let's order.
Sure. Why is this food so expensive? Let's just eat at my sandwich truck instead.
Sure. You're charging $6 for a sandwich? Unlimited bread and coffee included. Can you even make a profit?
The workers around here earn their money the hard way. I only need to make a little bit to get by. You must be starving. Come on, let's eat. Oh, your jacket has a hole.
Oh.
Let me fix it for you. All fixed. I tightened the buttons too. The jacket should last you a few more years.
You seem like a very practical person. How about we